Okay, welcome back, guys. Yeah, so we are back again. Remember, we just want to, if you want to go, just quick, do the website up and running very fast. This is how you do it. Like we said from the previous video, if you've not seen the previous video, you check it out. And that's how we got to the stage. Yeah, just very quick, up and running. Just quickly put up something not too fancy. You have a business, a brand, you just want to quickly. So what we did, we installed the Royal Elementor kit, the plugin, and just check out the other video, guys. So in this video, we continue and we just wanted to just edit. So all we have to do is edit. So, and by the way, guys, I what I did is I went to I get I got I went to Canva to just create just these images for the. That's the only thing I did. Every other thing we continue, just continue like that. Like we don't have to, just as I'm going to do it, like I said the other video, we're just like freestyling. So what you have to do is, okay, let's start from here. So sometimes these sections you can't so basically, now let me exit so you can see how it is. So yeah, after exiting, yeah, this is just the page. I just want to show you from scratch how it is. So like this, you go and visit the site. I always like to open new tabs. Let's close this one. Visit the site now. You edit with Elementor. Yeah, so we can be on the same page. uh, I'm actually on the same page, no pun intended though. So now we'll start from here. Let's start from the background. So what I did was, if you want to edit the background real quick, every section, all these places, they are all sections built upon one another. So if you want to access the section, sometimes you can just access, it's just okay. See, I want to access this section where this image is, this particular image, where it is. I want to access the section. What I have to do is the structure here, the structure by the left corner here, the structure, you click it, and then it brings out the whole structure of the web page. So what we have to do now is just click this place. This is this container. See, this is this container. If you like hide it, you see it just disappears. Basically, we're hiding it. So we turn it back on, it comes back on. So this is this container. So if you want to edit, this is just like a roadmap showing you where. So real quick, let's let it go. If you need it, you always have to come get it from here, and then you can. So now you click it, you click this thing, make sure you click it, and then once you click it, you come to style. You see this image here. Now let me get rid of this so that we can have a full screen and see everything as it's going. You see, so this is the layout. This is everything about the layout. So the more you keep playing around with it, the more you understand it. But for now, let's just go straight to the point. We want to edit the background, so always add style. Think of it as the styling. Now this background, what I did is already, like I said already, I chose that's the only thing I did behind the scene. Everything I'm going to be doing it, the brainstorming and everything, we are going to be doing it on the spot. So what happened is this, you have to go, you go to upload. Let me come again. You click the image that you want to change, click it. And one more thing, guys, it is good to know the size, since we are using this template, and we are just going to be customizing it to our taste and everything, so that the structure and everything should remain the same. It's good to always have know the size, the dimension. Look at this one now. That's what I did to. That's how I went to create. You see, I had to go create all. I went through all the pages. I went through all these images rather, and I created the equivalent, the same size. See, 1 by 1, 1,000 width by 1, so that it will maintain the same structure. You get it? So now we go to upload. Click upload. Click select. Now I have them here, my desktop. Yeah, this is it. Pop spam asset, and you see this pick one just for me to uh just for me not to lose track. So let me show you. This is just my personal convention, my style, so that I get everything up and going. See, so why I did that was, I'm still going to let you know. See, and you click it, select. Sorry. When you click it, then you click this. I want to show you this. See, this is pick one. Like, so that I would, it's just my convention, so that I would know which particular place I am replacing, so I'll know the image. So that's why I went ahead and name it this pick one R, which is replacement. So guys, you see there are two images here. I just want to let you know that this one was the one which is, you see the size is 3.88 megabytes. You can see the size there. So this one is a bit, most times it's good to compress it in a where it doesn't lose quality though. So this is the compressed version. You see it's almost 1 megabyte. This one from 31. So you click this one, and there's a lot of sites you can compress, you upload. You can use tiny PNG. There's a lot. Even their plugins, but I don't like using too much plugin. It's not really advisable having too many plugins. You can just come here, you drop it, and this is actually what I used. And there's another one called Snows. Yeah, this one is actually nice. It's because of this one doesn't lose quality. So let me just go back. Let's go back. We are drifting. Now, okay. So this is what I'm going to be using for the replacement of what we have there already. Just for the sake of this, but normally you should put everything. You see how it's looking. It's already coming together. Okay, okay. See you see what is happening now. It's looking better like this already. But for once, what is advisable is to put some overlay, and then we are going to reduce this images. But we are going to go as fast as possible, not to make it too long. So to put some overlay, depending on the brand identity, the color, but it's always advisable to use. See, we just come down, look for basically we need to put some overlay, the background overlay. Yeah, usually around here. So it's under the style, the same place you put the this thing, the background. You just come down so that it's going to have some. This text is not going to look as awkward as it is. So it's just basic editing, nothing too fancy. Just the background overlay. We just come, and then, for example, I choose. You see, you see. So I, you see, just by this, it's already looking. See, you see, the background is popping. Let me shift this a bit. Uh, So I'm just going to reduce the transparency so that it can, yeah, I think this is better. So I'm using, which color am I using? I'm using black. I'm using black. Let's see like this already. So this is good to see. It's a bit too dark. It's too dark. I'm going to definitely change this color. I'm going to make it green since it's, we have an overlay. That is the work of an overlay. It makes the pops farm text pops. It makes the text pops basically. Not too much uh, wordplay. Now, okay, I think it's fine like this. I think it's, so guys, you just play around. Just play around with it. But for me, I'm okay with this now. So that the, yes, I think this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Okay, not too much. This is a bit, you see, the more you take it to this left angle, this particular one down, the more you take it to this left angle, the brighter I mean, is the transparency. So now the more you take it to this right hand side, the darker you get and the more the text pops. So let's leave it in the middle. So let's go to leave things balanced. So I'm going to change all this since now you see it's nowhere to be found, like the image, the text of the menu, because of the overlay. We are going to definitely change it to make it visible. So now I don't want this to take too much of our time, but let's leave it here like this. So that's how you do it. So you put your image and you put an overlay. After you reduce it, this is basically an opacity, you see. So you play around with all these things, you see. Or you know what, I'm just going to make it like this and put this opacity. Oh, what did I do? Oh, it went back. It's like this, and the opacity, you see, almost the same thing. But I think it's better like this. I think it's okay like this. Yeah, and I'm going to just take this one a bit like this. Yeah, so yes, so yeah, now that's done. Let's change the color. Let's, now you click always anything you want to edit. Now this is the section and this is the column of the container. Yeah, so just click here where this thing is, means edit. Click it, it's going to call out these tabs. That's where you can access the properties. Now, what is this? Is this pops? I want to change the color. I come here, yeah, you see, after you've clicked this place, always style is, of course, where the styling is of the properties. These are just the basic contents. The style is the properties, the advanced is the advanced properties, the advanced settings. That's where you can see all this one. For now, we don't really need this too much, but some places we can come and start adjusting the margins and padding. That is how the the element is on the page, the side, the shapes and everything, the way they take. So now let's kind of put this. I've always wanted green. Okay, I've always wanted green because it's a fun color. So now I think it's a bit too ash on the eyes. Or we can go with white. No, okay, green. I'm sorry guys, I should have. I just want this to be a raw a method where see how it goes. But normally this should go with your brand color. Before you make a website, you should have your identity, the brand identity should reflect the color. You understand? So depending on, you make your research personally on your own, and you know what, check if okay, you know what brand what color best represents your brand. You understand? So for this, you see, these are the three, prefix text. Mm, I'm still, I don't know why I'm always like this when it comes to always looking for something. Okay, I don't think it's bad, like it's that bad. This is not bad. I just want it to be. So the guys, so basically, yeah, that's what you do. You come up with your color, and then typography. Let me change the size a little bit, make it a little bit, yeah, for that. 79 or 80, make it 80. But now this providing for the nation should, let's make it feeding the nation. That's more. You see what I did? If I want to come to this side, I just, if I want to, anything you want to do, remember to always click this edit. You click this edit. That's how Elementor works. You click this edit, and then you can access it from, these are the tabs, the settings, the, so this is the content, which is the content here. So that's why you click this drop down, and then this is the, for this one, this is the animated one. So this is how you change it. You can't change it here like that. You can change it here, but see, you can't even change it there. It depends on the, so now this one I want to put it as feeding the nation, not providing. Feeding sounds more, feeding, okay, feeding, feeding, okay, feeding the nation, feeding the nation. That's okay. So I think that's more, makes more sense to like that. So let's just leave it like this and move on. We have a lot of things to do, but you can play around with all these things, guys. You can change the shape, everything. You can, I mean, change the place you want to put it. But in this one, in this case, let's see how it goes like this. Okay, I want it, I don't want it like this. I want it, you see this alignment, basically. So that's all. Maybe like this. Makes sense like this. Now, that's how you do it. Now we move on. Let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the next section. So this section, the same thing that we did in this section. I still feel like touching it, but I don't want. Okay, now these three sections. First of all, they are under one. See the structure. They are under one. So they are still under the same container. No, this is the one. This is, you see. You see, so everything is structured. This is the structure we're looking for now. This one, this place. You click it, it takes you here. So inside this structure, it has, so you click under this, you see you see inside this grid, you have this images, which is this one, of course. So now I just want you to see the structure so you understand the bigger picture. This one, they are grouped. Everything is under every structure has a container, have a grid, have, so now this, let's start changing this thing. This is what you do, the same thing that we did here. You click this place, This one is for this place. You see, this one is for this place. If once you over on it, you get this thing. So you know, you see these things here. That's to show edit. That's the sign of edit. Edit image box. Now let's change it. Let's change this. Like what I said the other time. You can upload, or basically what sometimes you can just upload. Oh, it's the network. Okay, you can upload everything straight to the you can come here and upload everything, all the images you need. You can come and upload them straight up from here. You pick and you just pick everything and upload. Pick everything and upload it, so you start using them one after the other. But I don't want that, because I want it to go as I'm editing, as we are editing now. We can, so that we can just go gradually. So now let's edit this. Let's change this image. You pick it, you choose. Remember what I told you guys. This is why I don't want to upload everything at once, so you can keep up. This one is the pick 2. So the way I can keep up this pick 2, remember I made the same 729 by 928. You come here, you see pick 2. If you click it, you see the size 729 by 920. So that's how you can maintain the structure of the template you are using, because they already created everything. So it's simple. Just make sure you have the same when you are creating the image. You have the same, and this is pick 2. I put this as pick 2 replacement. Okay, let me rename this so that it will not, just my personal convention. Now pick 2, is this pick 2? Yeah, pick 2. So now I just have to show you that. Now go, and you go to upload file, you choose your file. Remember pick 2. That is the pick 2, pick 2, pick 2. Okay, I just chose anyone, guys. I just go to Canva and just create that size as a custom. What I did, let me just show you, just in case you, I came to Canva, you go to the home design, come home, you come to custom, custom size, and then you put, you see this was the last size I put. Then you create design, you click create, and then it's just give you what you need. I just picked any template. I didn't really edit it, so that's just for the sake of the video. So this is what you're choosing. Click it here. You see, so it's coming together. Let's do the same thing for the 3. Same thing. So this is how you put your own images too. You come up with your image. You see, that's how you do it. Let's go click here too. This is same thing. Okay, you click here. This is pick 3, like picture 3, pick 3. Click. Oh no, I chose the same image. You go to upload. You choose. You don't have to do it one after the other like this. I just prefer to do it like this, so that I go pick 3, right? Mm, yeah, and always make sure the size is not too much, not more than at least 1 megabyte. You see the arrow was 1 megabyte. This one should be this, under this kilogram, yeah, kilobyte. It makes your site load faster. So I'm just selecting any image, guys, just for the sake of, see, so it's coming together. This is, like I said, this is nobody's website. We came up with it together, so we have to finish it together. This is the pick 4. Where's the pick 4? This is the pick 4. Now you see, that's how we do it. That's how we roll. Now you see, it's having too many. Okay, I just choose any image, guys. It's having too many content in it, but just for the sake of too many write-ups, so that's, I'm not going to put them on a write-up here. So that's how you edit video. That's, you see, so this is basically going to be your images and all that. You understand? I didn't want to waste so much time. Now let's just do proper editing here. See the way I edit this thing. Like if it's really pops farm, okay, this pops farm training program, put this on as training program. No, okay. You see, that was a mistake. I was trying to edit it directly from here. You see, this is why I'm making this kind of video. So you see how the mistakes and everything. Let's call this training program. Training program. And yeah, you can structure it in the middle here, you see, which is better. I'm going to just leave the text like that. You put, of course, you see, let me, another tip, guys, it's going to be long. If you want to still maintain the structure and everything like this, because it's advisable, training program, what I do, let me show you what I do. Let me use ChatGPT. Let me use this guest profile. Go to ChatGPT. Just something ChatGPT. I come here. I just use the free one first. Okay. What I do is just um designing a website for a farm, and I want you to write about training program for the training program for the website called Pop Farm with the exact word count in quotation. So now put this in quotation. This is how I do it, just quickly, so that we can maintain the structure, and also we don't have to too much brainstorm. This is why all these tools were made for us. Uh, okay, okay. This actually looks like it's modern. Yeah, okay, platform. We believe in hands-on. Okay, let's just take it. Say this 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, rewrite, summarize it, summarize that to the exact word count of the program. Some text in quotation above. I just want it. Okay. Okay, let's just take this one. Post farm. So this is how you do, because it comes up. You don't have to crack your brain. But of course, if it's your brand, I just have to do this because I'm making it fast. It's your brand and everything. You have to come up with your own brand stuff. No, it's too much. I 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so basically what I should have done, I would just say write it. Okay, now say write, summarize for 18 words, summarize for 18 or 18 words. Mm. Simple. That's what I wanted. So I just pick it. Just want to maintain. So guys, you have to use ChatGPT to with your original message you want to pass, so that it can maintain, and then tell it to maintain, give it the word count you want it to. So by maintaining the same message, so yeah, I'll just go. So guys, I'll just put the same thing just to save time. Just put the same thing here too. I put the same thing. But that's how you do it for everything. And then come here, you click edit, you center, come here. Always click everywhere you want to edit. Then you can have the option to come and edit it the right way. Click here now, see? Now change this. I'll just change this. Okay. What I did, I changed the, so you click it, remember, and then you go to content, and then let's change this to good food. Change this to, you know what? I want anything worth doing is worth doing well, so at least go back to ChatGPT and say it in 18 words, right, about good food for the farm. So he already has the context, so just going to come up with something. Post farm provide, yeah, blah 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 blah. Copy it, and then you put it here. So same thing here. See, click here, you come to content. Let's change this one to what title are we going to give this? Our unique angle. Let me just call this unique angle. Just something unique angle because of this unique angle I saw here. Okay. So now you tell GPT the same thing. You know what? I think it's smart enough to know in how many words. Just tell it to write about our unique angle. It already knows the context and everything. Let me see. I don't know yet. I'm still trying. You see, it's AI. They're smart. So you pick it, Angular. You take the words as proper. So I'm just doing this for the sake of, you understand. So, but you can also use it to your, for example, the message that you want to pass. I think this is actually more than, you see the reason why I like to maintain the structure. Okay, it's actually the same structure. But if you don't maintain the structure, it's not going to synchronize. You understand? So, but it's fine like this. But what I'm a lot saying that your message, you can, the message that you actually want to pass, uh, you can do it, and then you can just get your message, tell ChatGPT to summarize it to the exact word count here while retaining the structure. That's how you do it. That's like the prompt you're going to use while retaining the structure and the core message to summarize your whatever message you have that you want to pass. So in this one now, let's change this. The same thing we do. Click edit. Click edit here. This one is pic 5. Picture 5. You go click upload. I mean, you go to picture 5. Where's the picture 5? Here. Click it, and then you click select. Normally all these places has to come, this alternative text has to, like, you put the about us. Why? Because for it gives you more, for those for blind and use about us. Just basically this, all this place have to be, have some, it has to have some, what the image is all about. Some people, according to some people that are blind, just to make your site more professional, and it's actually what is required. And it can also help your SEO. So now this is the about us. The same thing. I'm just going to, you know what? The same thing I did. Let's go to ChatGPT. I'll copy it. This time I'll just tell it to um, tell me tell me the word count for the below text in quote. Now I put two quotes, then I put it 160 word in 160 words. Right. No, not actually right. Me and about us for for fun. It's gonna come up blah blah blah. It's just going to just it's actually, it's amazing. I will just come up with some, so you don't have to. So this is just for the template, just for the sake of the video. But of course, you can still use it. Now you paste it. It's a bit much. Okay, okay. You see, now we're done for this page, but now we're not still done. We are done, but not done. So what we're going to do, we check the other versions. So now let me go back. So this is, this one, this place is the footer. We'll get back to it. Before we come back to this footer, what we need to do is check the other mobile view. Laptop, so it's okay, not that bad, but we can just reduce the a little bit, reduce the font size. You see, 80 was for the desktop. This, you can make it 78, just a little bit, 75 for the laptop. Yeah, 75 is fine. Why? For the feeding the nation, which is, can make it 78. Yeah, so yeah, explore more, just leave it like that. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's just simple, just basic, very basic. I think this one, yeah, about, you see how out of structure it is. That's what I was talking about. I think ChatGPT did not actually give, it gave me more. So what I'm going to do, just not to make it too long, I'm just going to take, you see, I want to edit this, I click here, Just going to take the last paragraph off, this last paragraph. But of course, it's because of this is not a real project. I would definitely make sure uh, it's passing the same message or in summary, so that can maintain the structure. It makes it add to the professional look of your website. And I think there should be some space here, more space. More white space makes your site more looks modern. So for now, yeah. So this is the editing. This is basically what it is. Mm. And I think this pop prompt should be okay. Of course, you will have a logo that has pops farm, but we are not going to do that in this video. So now, like I said, I want to add some space. Okay, we want to add a little bit more space here. So what we're going to do is just, oh, what did I do? Okay, click it. Oops. Okay, you see, they already it came with so if you want more, let's play around this and see. Nothing is changing. No, this makes the bottom 200. Or was it 200? Was it? Yeah. Um, nothing is really changing now. Just okay. I just wanted to be sure. Just wanted to be sure. The right has nothing there. The left has nothing there. So the guy, this is how you play around. This is what you, if you want to change the give some space, you come to the advanced, and then okay, I know what to do. I will give this upper one. You see, this is how it's done, guys. This is how I do it personally, and this is how you do it. You play around, and then you see this top minus 73. Okay, this is the default setting. So let's take it up. So guys, this is what basically you would do. Yeah. So minus 73 was what I made it. So this 100. You see, I put this button for this one, the margin for this button 100, and came down a little bit. I think it's better like this. You see, guys, see what I mean? This is how you just. I think it's way better than there's too much space. Should probably have a text here or something. Let me see. Let's just put something. Um, this place should. Okay, if you want to add an element, come to this plus button, this plus sign. Now let's see. You can add. Okay, we can't really add it. We have to put a container. We currently just had an image to it. Okay, let me show you guys how you can add an image. It's not good to have too much container, but in this case, you put a new container, put the flex, choose this one. Now you have a container where you can add an image. You come here, you click this, and then you put the image here. That's it. And then you let's structure it properly. Put it in the align it to center. Yeah, what are we going to say about just this? You see? Just okay, let's just put it our schedule. Go to the content. Our mission, just something like that. So you guys know I'm not taking it too serious. So I just want to show you how you put things, how you add things and all that. So yeah, you can change the color. Let's make to change the color. You come in here, you come to this typography, which is this is highlighting this typography. You click here, and text color. This is everything about the text, but we're not going to go too deep. We'll just go and choose. Let's make it just black. Just come here and make it, just take the color picker, just make it black. So, or whatever color is this. Okay, I want to use this color, this exact color, for the sake of consistency. So you click here, you come to the style, you see the color, click it, you pick it, copy it, copy. Now you go back to this place, click it, you see the text color here, copy it, you paste it. That's all. See, now it has this. Or better still, let me Control Z. Better still, another way you can do it, you come here, you copy, you see copy, just click copy. Now you come here and you of course right click and you come to paste style. You see, it makes it exactly like this, which is bigger and I think is better. So yeah, that's it for that, guys. So in this video we just in the next video we're going to, okay, this video, so what this is what we did. This is for the portrait. Now we're still going to change this. We need to change this for the tablet, I mean. Now we have to change this. We have to make everything responsive. Typography, so make it we made that other one 85, make this 80 or 82. Maybe that is it. No, 80, 80. Okay, 80 is not bad. Make it 70. Yeah, just leave the rest like this. This is how it's going to look in the tablet. For the sake of this one, for the tablet, you come to the structure. This is what you just do. You just have to change. Basically, we can also the image. Let's see. What is advisable is to have the same image. You restructure it. The same. Sometimes it's okay like this though. For now, the same image. I think these places need some space. Well, I'm just showing you guys. This is just like I said, just a quick method. Well, sometimes you can have a different image for the tablet, have a different image for example, let me play around this. You can come here for the tablet, right? You can have a custom and then you can make it 500 by 500. You see what I did? If you apply it, so you see it's a bit smaller. So that's what I mean, that you can have different images for it. It's smaller. We could just have to uh, so I'm just showing you guys. Let's leave it the way it was. So you can just adjust it according to, but definitely you will need to adjust it for, say, see. So basically, guys, that's it. Here we're just going to, of course, definitely change the size, make this one 50 first and see how it goes. Okay, pops farm, this is how it is in there. So in the next video, you see, so what we just did basically, guys, was we just edited this pops farm, the home page. So in the next video now, we're going to focus on the, this is the footer, put a better form, uh, edit all this, customize it to pop paste. Also in the next video, same video, put this image, this header, put make it pop, make the, so that it can be visible. Put, because of the overlay just made it a little bit dull, so we'll change the color. So basically, guys, that's it for this video. This one, so let me show you something else. This one, this, if you want to change this, we didn't even touch this. Let me show you quickly. You click here, normally click here, the button, you come, let's try and change it to something, and then we can change it back if you want to. We just want to show you how you do it, because we didn't really touch this button. Come here, you see, everything has to start with clicking the edit. Now you see the, if you want to put a link, this is the basic content, the basic things. You pick a link where you want to put the link, you put it here, and then you, so you want some animation and all that. No, we're just going to go to the style. I just want to show you the over setting. You see, this is a normal one. You have to change it, for example, change it to this. Okay, this is gradient. That's why it has two colors, which is not bad. It's not really bad though. So you see the over color has a different, see the over, see here, if you click here, see the over, you change it to this, you see that you change, you see the color changes, or you change it to this, the color changes to that. I think this is not bad for the over color. You can leave it like this for the over color, but I'm just showing you, or put it back to the previous color, or just, yeah. So this is gradient, that's why it's, well, I don't really want the gradient. It's not bad. Okay, I can look for a color that will complement it very well to make it, this color can go, okay, I don't want this to be too long, so I'm just going to make the gradients more like this. Yeah, so yeah, but this color has to make sense, guys. If you want to choose a color, you have to, just because I'm playing around with it a lot, that's why it has to make sense. It has to go together with your, you have to do your research, make sure it goes with your brand. It's not far from your brand color, and this, so I'll just go with this, or we can put it back to the yellow color that we saw it. The yellow, yeah, for the first one. What's the first, you see the first color, put it back as it, the yellow, but we'll just make the yellow a little bit more different so people can get a style that, yeah, we definitely have some gradients and all that. So you see what I'm doing? You see how it's affecting it to different colors? Yeah, just leave it like this for the sake of the video. So that's how you do it. You always click publish. This is this is for the button. So you come to style, you change the color, the over button, change the over. That's all. Just wanted to show you that. Yeah. So that's it, guys, for this video. We just edited the. I want this. You see, it's advisable for buttons to be their call to action, CTA. They need to be very catchy and distinct. You don't. Should not be. Buttons should always stand out. Have an accent color, or how they call it, like an, yeah. You should know that this is a button. So yeah, just slip it back. I'm just using this for the sake of this is too okay. I want something okay. Yeah, I'll just go with this. I'll just go with this. So it has to have, yeah, I mean, you don't have to mistake it. You know that is, and and the link you put here is something. For example, maybe uh, explore more. You have more. Maybe people want to buy from your product, everything. So you this can take them to their shop where your product, farm products are, and everything. So it has to stand out. So I just did all that. So the next video we are going to continue with the editing, definitely. And yeah, just going to leave it like this for now. um yeah, this is how you do it, guys. You just come up with something real quick. You have to figure out. So that's why I had to make it, I don't want to be too much editing. So where you were seeing how my thought process was. We're going through it together, and now the next video we're going to edit this. So see you guys in the next video.